Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and happy Valentine's Day. I act like I didn't know like tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but happy Valentine's Day. Today is actually Saturday the 13th that I am recording this video. Hopefully I'll get it up today. If not, you will be seeing this on Valentine's Day. But I wanted to come to you and create a look using the Vivid Rose eyeshadow palette from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. This is the look that I came up with today. I try to use every eyeshadow in this palette. I was not successful, but I did try to use every eyeshadow in this palette. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 8 out of the 10 eyeshadows in this palette today. I'm going to do a quick tutorial. I don't know how quick it's going to be, but there will be a tutorial attached to this video to let you know how I did it. I think I'm going to do it in the same style that I did my Sweet Shop series videos, where I'll just have like a picture of the palette and just like have a star on the actual shadows that I'm using. There will be like music over it, stuff like that. But yeah, I think this look is pretty cute, especially because I have to go out today, so I didn't want to like overdo it. I did enough, but I didn't want to overdo it. So no lashes and all that good stuff, but you get to see how this palette will perform on my lips. I have to apologize in advance. It's a discontinued lipstick from MAC, and it was part of the Taraji P. Henson series, or the Viva Gam Taraji P. Henson. This one was this reddish pink here. I think this went better with the shadows that I have on today than it would if I had used like a bold red lip. This one was a little bit more softer and a little bit more appropriate. I will try to, and I think I did a pretty decent job of showing you the other products that I used in the video besides the palette here. If not, all the information will be in the description bar. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. I welcome all comments in the comment section. Have a great weekend, you all. Happy Valentine's Day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? you drive. Do you know I'm looking? We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Got me all lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how